Can't wait to get up there and meet Lou.
And hang 10.
That's right. Absolutely. Yeah, well, let's talk weather right now.
Yeah.
We're looking forward to some changes as the week progresses.
And that we are. We have subtle signs that those changes are already kind of in the works, one of which is those building thunderstorms over the high terrain, the Cascades. Here's a beautiful time-lapse view from our Ridgefield A camera from earlier this afternoon as, again, these thunderstorms very isolated in nature and just going to be residing over the Cascades. You can see them kind of fizzling out down towards Deschutes County, where just a few lightning strikes have been in the works as of late, but for the most part, we're staying on the dry and hot side here for the valley, at least for the next couple of hours before we really start to shake up our weather pattern. Upper 80s, low 90s found through the valley, 60s enjoyed along the coastline, and 90 degrees out towards Hood River as our fire weather danger dials are relatively high thanks to the lightning threat right now over the central sections of the Beaver State. We'll see improvements tonight, the start of the day tomorrow, before we start to pick up on a bit of a westerly breeze. That bodes well for us here in the west, but up over the high terrain, the Cascades, they become downsloping winds for eastern Oregon and Washington, and that's where our fire concern will start to elevate tomorrow. By about 10 a.m. all the way through 9 o'clock on our Thursday, the National Weather Service issuing those red flag warnings where wind speeds could near 30 miles per hour and our relatively low humidity values could be right around 10% or so. That's bone dry out there as the ridge of high pressure that's brought us the summer heat is quickly sliding off to the east, allowing for this trough of low pressure to slide its way back into western Oregon and southwest Washington. Not only dropping our temperatures, but increasing the cloud coverage and bringing the chance of wet weather back to the Pacific Northwest. And now could not be a better time as we start to work our way into the heart of the summer season. But come Saturday, we could be breaking cold afternoon daytime highs. 65. Now, if we only make it to 61 degrees, that would tie the record last set back in 1975 as we gradually warm things back up to the seasonal average of the mid-70s by the start of the month of July. So there's those increasing clouds for tonight and the start of the day tomorrow. Keep in mind, Thursday, it stays dry for us here in the valley, maybe picking up on a sprinkler or two for the late evening time frame for the coast, and then eventually that moisture tracks its way to the valley and up over the high terrain of the Cascades as well. Now, these rain showers over the next several days for the end of the week, the start of the weekend, not expect to be a super soaker, but when you add up Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, we're nearing about a quarter to a half inch of rain, a very real possibility. All right, here's something we don't typically show you in the summer season, our forecasted snow elevation levels, tumbling back to about 5,500 feet by this weekend. And yes, accumulative snow is a possibility for parts of the Cascades. We're talking about Three Sisters, maybe picking up as much as 1.5 inches to 2 inches. A trace maybe for Mount Hood, likely melting quickly on contact, but nonetheless, some summer snow, a bit of an oddity and something to get us all excited over the high terrain of the Cascades as we fall to 58 degrees tonight. Tomorrow's highs upper 70s for us for the valley, 50s and 60s for the coast. Great for the gardeners. You get some free water in the mix and those cooler temperatures to give our plants a bit of a break after the extreme heat we've seen as those scattered showers start Thursday night, carry us through early next week. And then the month of July, 1 week away from today, brings us back to sunnier conditions and highs in the mid-70s.
Can you believe half of 2026 is already over?
We've just been having too much fun. It's flown by.
Yeah, sure. Yes. Thanks, Josh.
Yeah.
Coming up.